Pat here, back with another tutorial. Today we're talking about cups or mugs, depending on what part of the country you're in. And you've probably seen these before, maybe outside somewhere or at a cafe, or maybe you've seen someone kind of trying to use one before. What I like about them is they're very easy to hold. Now they have a handle here, but they're designed in such a way that you can just fit them right in your hand like this. You know, it makes you feel kind of like a Lego guy. You can just pick it up just like that, clicks right into place. You know, whatever you want to do with that. But the thing is, like, look in there. What's in there? A bunch of room. It's full of room. It's full of emptiness. There's nothing in there. And what you can do is you can put anything you like in there. You can put water, sand, pens, a grape, 2 grapes, up to probably 12, 13 grapes max, if you still want some room for your drink. Usually these are used for drinking out of, but you can use them really for whatever. Yeah, you're gonna want that hole facing up, and then you're gonna want to put your liquid or whatever items directly into that kind of gaping hole right here. And that'll kind of give you leverage to carry that sucker around. You know, it's hard to carry water without them. And that's what I like about it. So take water wherever you want to go. Take up to 12 grapes wherever you want to go. And that's life.